This time we're going to start building this terms definition database, okay? Which will have terms and definitions from our textbook. In time, we're actually going to use this database and incorporate that into an application that we'll be able to take and see all these terms and definitions on our Android tablet, okay? First thing I'd like you to do is make sure that you have done. Let's go back up to our assignment, our full week, and go into the things to do this week. And there is a link in here that will take you through how to install this database browser for SQLite. If you don't do this, you aren't going to be able to do the assignment today. So you might want to go back and do that first. Once again, switching back to this week's assignment and going down to this week's assignment. Okay, what we need to do first of all is take and download this database. I'm going to right click on this, save link as, and I'm going to put it on my desktop, okay? Make sure that you don't get something like this. I'm getting something like this that I've downloaded a couple times already. Like that, terms and definitions, and put that on your desktop. Okay, you will see it right up here. If you take and install DB browser, you'll notice that you get that nice little icon. Let's go ahead and double click on terms definitions and actually take and load it here. Looks like this, okay? And if I go into my table terms, I'll see in there, sure enough, I've got an ID, I've got a page number and a term and a definition. I need to take and fill those in. To do that, you need to go to the browse data right there, and we're going to start typing in information here. If we switch back over to Blackboard again and slide this up where you can see it down here, you got a folder for Chapter 1 terms, okay? I put all your terms in here, plus look at this, I gave you a page number, okay? The first term that we have in here is amps, okay? And it's found on page 8 in your textbook. Let's go back to our database and I'll show you how to start typing these in. Type in new record. Don't type into your filters, it'll mess it all up. New record, okay? Don't worry about the number 1, it's going to automatically fill it in for you. The page is number 8, amps, AMPS. And if I go back into Blackboard here again, I'm going to take it, I'm going to copy this right there, definition. I'm going to put that in here, right here, okay? Control V, just like that. Now you can't see it, so we can take and we can size these if we wish, okay? Make this a little smaller, things like that, okay? And now I hit Tab. That gets me the next line, new record. Once again, notice how this auto increments. Don't mess around trying to type a number in here, okay? And what's this one found on page number 8, BYOD, 18. Found on page 18, BYOD. No, forgot my YD like that. Notice I'm using the tab key. You can tab really nice. Shift tab gets you going backwards, okay? Once you put these in here, you can edit these. Say, oop, that's not 8, it's 7. You can do that if you wish. Of course, it's 8, so let's put it back to 8 again. Things like that. Once you're all done, you can write changes, okay? This is how you save. Once again, I haven't put in the definition of that because I haven't looked it up on page 18 yet. So you're going to take and fill these all in. When you're all done, you're going to have, I don't know how many records this is, quite a few, but you're going to type these all in with a definition. When you're all done, you can either close it down, it will save the changes, or you can put this write changes if you wish to actually save your changes. Email me if you got issues.